breast. So someone used to follow me and then make a train.
Just everyone on Mammoth, let's go.
Yeah, we're going to make a Mammoth Train.
Mammoth Train.
Mammoth Train?
I'm coming, hold up.
I'm gonna go do some quests. You guys are not.
Ah, come on, Mammoth Train.
Oh,
we need you for
Wow,
this.
you fucking sell out.
Dude,
Someone
we
carry my
really-
mage from
Can
Chicken's
everyone
definitely following the train.
Let's go.
Oh,
Mammoth.
yeah. And Crank is walking past.
Hey, you gotta RP walk. Come on.
Yeah,
Guys?
we got
Guys,
We're doing the RP.
Hello,
Yo.
excuse me.
Yeah, here we go.
I
Oh, we're in
know
trouble
you
now.
are excited and congratulations on 7 out of 7, but you have to look that you're representing our guild and everyone in it. I know it seems legit the dicks and flaunt it, and I don't care what they do, but we know better.
I
We
didn't
have a
think we were doing
reputation.
anything wrong.
No, we're not being
When-
aggressive or anything.
Yes, but okay. So when seems
Just
legit was
bragging.
doing it, yeah. But when seems legit were doing it, please don't interrupt me. When seems legit were doing it, we called them dicks and wankers and everything else. So don't do it back.
Okay.
Yes, Mum.
I'm gonna have to
Okay, we
disagree. We are not calling people out and saying
Yeah.
No,
We're just
but
linking the achievement.
no. We are not doing
Simply
anything.
actually
celebrating.
someone
Yeah.
did call it out. Someone
Then call-
said, "Fuck
then
you."
call that
seems
person.
legit.
Call that person out
Okay.
individually.
Oh, that's
This is
specifically aimed at Seems Legit.
I
and
don't
not the
care.
rest of the server.
This mammoth train!
That's
is
not
awesome.
who
It's
we
great.
are. Even I walk away from Seems Legit being dicks, and I'm your guild leader. I literally ignore them. So I expect the same from everyone else in my guild. Is that too much to ask?
I think so.
No.
No, it's not.
Okay, we're done.
So-
We're just excited. Come
I
on.
know you're so excited,
Everyone else-
and it's great. Just, there's a point that you've got to stop.
Got
Okay?
it.
Make a connecting chain. Mammoths all the way around the square.
We've actually got the whole of around doing this.
We got everyone.
Lyra.
Really? Is
Where's the
Dalaran
Mammoth?
actually doing
Everyone
this?
is around
Yeah,
on
we've
the
got
train
so
now.
many other people.
So it's cool advertising that we're 7 out of 7 and you're looking for people. That's fine. That's enough to shove it in Seems Legit's face. Because
Okay.
at the end of the day, we're in the top 10 on the server.
Did you know we're ahead of the curve?
We're ahead of the
Okay,
curve,
I
are
know
we?
that. And I get
Dragon's a
that.
chief? Do you know we're ahead of the curve? Only
Don't worry,
Bragg's
we're
doing
not,
it though.
Kylie. We're not just messing around with each other now.
I know. Okay, so just
Yeah.
cool. Don't go
We're
too
cool.
overboard in the guild as well.
Okay. We're cool.
Fool's feelings, okay?
You guys are cool. I refuse to be.
What if Storm's doing it and not us? He's technically your raid team.
Yeah, can you
Well-
sort Storm out?
Storm's an officer and he
You
should know
said
better.
Storm.
I should know better, but I
Demoted.
I feel like Storm should be demoted for that.
Yeah, Lyria and Skopak, raid leader and fucking raid assist. You guys are setting a real fucking.
Bragan, are you on the
Come
end of the
What do you
train?
mean?
What? No.
Oh, okay. I thought it was that long. And I was like,
It is
Hang
that
on, no,
long.
here I am.
Wait, that is some messed up shit right there.
behind your castle.
You guys-
I can't believe she came in and did that.
I think
That was beautiful. I like that.
Oh, I love you, Bragg.
Bragan, that was A plus meme. Shit.
That's what I whispered Bragg and he took it the
Let's go, Harris.
No shame.
No shame at all.
I'm loving the mammoth train that's going on here, though.
This is literally. Take photos of this. This is hilarious.
This is great.
This is the good one
You
of
gotta
it.
take the corners a bit
This
wider.
is a whole server.
Yeah.
Yeah,
server
I like how
one.
Lyria's just not RP walking, he's just like walking a little bit and stopping.
Wait, guys, you guys are going too far around the bend. I'm behind the curve.
No.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think being behind the curve is a sensitive
Scoffy,
subject.
who do you think you are, mate? What are you doing?
Bro, we need
I'm
to
misfit.
like connect the snake back at the head.
The snakes. Oh, the head has to eat the tail.
Yeah.
Can you run
in
it?
the
Yeah,
game.
trade
if you run-
district.
if you run us through
Dude,
the
it's
trade
it's
district, we'll hit the
actually
back
going
of the
for
snake.
so
We'll hit the
long.
back.
Can you invite me because I'm phased out?
Oh yeah.
Can you get me
That's
back in?
fine.
because I just wanted to.
Has
do a
anyone
quick
actually
work
seen
quest.
like how far back this fucking?
Yeah, I'm at the back
I
row.
even
I can see the
how
front.
far that goes.
No way, he's taking another full circle.
Yeah,
It's
guys,
like
invite
around the
me. I'm on
corner.
the wrong
I'm inviting
place.
you.
Yeah.
Hey, you're taking us on a detour.
shit.
Where are we going now?
What
Yeah,
the
we're
fuck
eating
is
the tail.
Right. Please don't put this on YouTube, please. Hope
I am
someone's
actually
recording.
recording this.
Thank you.
Yeah,
There we go.
Everyone joined our victory. Our victory lap.
Front page of Wow
Yeah,
Reddit.
pass brag and assist for a sec. I gotta invite.
Are you gonna
The
get us all
Harris.
caught on the fucking trailer? You fucked it.
what the fuck is this shit?
Or invite Go Harris's mage.
Jump over the
Where are we
train.
going?
Get over the trailer.
I'm just following the guy in front
Oh,
of
I'm
me.
gonna get it.
Yeah, I want to see the end. I want to see like the end of this mammoth train.
There it is.
Oh, dude, it's in front of us.
There it is. I see it. Quick, connect it. Connect it.
Nah, we're going this way,
A
guys.
shitload of
We
horde
have
just
to
went
do
We're
it.
and
going
jumped
over
in.
here.
Can our demon hunters please let Horde know that we also did 7 of 7?
Yes, that's it. Spamming demon. She won't know.
All just make level 1 to go to Orgrimmar and just start spamming.
Oh,
Who
castle, what happened?
popped a gammon? Who the fuck popped a gammon? Look at that cunt.
Guys, it's gotten really messy, guys.
Yeah.
that was nice.
Can't let up.
Everyone
Someone-
wants to lead.
Nah, it's all these
Yeah.
pugs. This is why we can't pug Heroic Xavius.
Okay, we've split into two, fellas. We've split into two.
Oh, that's a beautiful picture.
Oh my gosh!
We're gonna go up to you guys. Up to my guild.
We actually just clean split into two. What the fuck happened?
It's synergized mammoth riding.
Hey, Infuriation. He's not in the
And
call.
guys, do you understand how to merge? What the fuck is this bullshit? Look
I
at
don't
this.
even know.
This is not how you merge in
Yeah,
traffic.
yeah,
at all.
like, just put on
Fuck, I hope you
on
guys
walk. They keep running.
To the snake, or
Now-
actually.
This is so beautiful. Well, half $1 on here. This is awesome.
It's up here to the right.
Are we going around the stairs? Jew
Yeah.
boy, take us around the stairs.
Cool.
And then the people at the back won't know that we're marching to our death.
We should bait Seamslid to just a mammoth training off and start Aaron with it.
Oh, we actually all just gonna jump off the edge.
Oh,
Yeah.
Please tell me.
I'm
I
following.
Yeah,
I
never,
hope,
no
I hope
stopping.
people follow.
They are, dude. They're doing it.
I'm on follow, so. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Just do it. Just
This is
come
the
in.
best.
Oh,
can't
here we
stop,
go,
won't stop.
fellas.
There we go.
Can't stop.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
I'm coming, Harambe.
It's a guy from another guild still in the
coming
same
around,
group.
mate.
He's just going off the edge.
Yes, it's happening.
It's
It's
just doing
happening.
Oh, where?
Why are you guys jumping?
I'm
fuck?
coming from.
Just fall.
Just fucking go. I like how it's a slow fall because you fall onto the platform there on the grass. Here we
Here we go,
go.
here we go.
Let's go.
Oh, look at Trey. Did you see Seamslid shit? I said.
I'm deal.
Yeah, they said.
Wait,
Fucking
I'm still,
told me that.
I'm still following Duboy.
Oh,
Somehow.
There we go. Going down.
Oh, we're still going.
Still going.
Let's go, fellas.
Here they come. Here they come.
I hope
Yeah,
someone's
kill him.
recording this.
Kill them all.
Kill him! Kill them all!
Kill him.
Kill him.
As they fall, kill the horde. Creep on
This
through the thing. This is beautiful, guys.
This is
well
amazing.
played,
This is
everyone.
amazing. This is what I live for.
It was all a bait. It was all a bait.
motherfuckers.
Wait,
Wait,
give
where
us
the
One
water,
mammoths?
level.
have a
see the
death
mammoths
tonight. Give us water walking.
Yeah, give us some
Dude, I
water
can't
walking.
give everyone walking.
Yes, you can.
I can't. A single
My
car.
character's
do
still
it.
walking. I'm still
Oh, well,
Oh,
mammoths.
It's
Walk
a
up.
bait.
Is that the end?
Yeah, no more mammoths fall. Oh, what's this?
We have
There's a
victorious.
resto shaman.
Kill it! Everyone's still walking.
Get wrecked.
Oh, there's a druid! Kill him! Attack!
Best fucking
Oh,
group
no,
ever.
he's too fast.
Oh no, I still have my RP walk on.
Nick! Nathan!
I dazed him.
Oh, I got him.
Nice.
He finally just
Should we just
Gave
run around
up.
as a big group now and
Fell-
take zones and just
Fell
smash
right
all?
into a trap.
Run around as a raid group and smash horde. Yeah, that sounds like an action.
Yeah, let's go to Lorathil. Let's go to Lorathil.
Yeah,
and
Phil?
Ash
Yeah, I'll
Tabar.
meet you guys there. See
that's
ya.
what I was talking
We're going to
about.
Lorathil? Yep. Alright,
Everyone
sounds fucking
auto
good.
follow the DK.